Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My friends, all my teacher and listener. Today I will explain about the origin of the camera. The basic concept of a camera actually dates back 1,000 of years. The first camera-like device was the camera obscura, which was a dark box with a small hole in one side. Light entering through this hole will project an inverted image on the one side and the inside wall of the box. Al-Haytham, 11th century. This Arab scientist was one of the first to document the working principle of the camera obscura. Mozi, 300 to 1901 BC. This Chinese philosopher also wrote about the pinhole camera, which is the basis of the camera obscura. Types of cameras. Today there are many types of camera with various features and capabilities, such as the DSLR, digital single lens reflex, a professional camera that offers high image quality and flexibility in lens replacement. Mirrorless, a camera similar to a DSLR but lighter and more compact. Cell phone cameras. Almost all smartphones today are equipped with cameras that are even enough to take good quality photos and video. Action cameras. Cameras designed for use in extreme activities such as water sport or other extreme sport. Conclusion. The journey of cameras from camera obscura to today's sophisticated digital camera is a long and interesting story. Its development in camera technology has had a significant impact on the way we see and record the world around us. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.